Ken Fane, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. I am so excited. I have our friend and master tile installer, Kasey Harkin, with us today. Welcome, Kasey. When did you start tiling and how did you help your father? Because I know that that's how you got started.
The first time I've ever been on a tile job was actually with my uncle in Florida, and I was like 3 or 4. And we packed a little lunchbox and I went to work with him a couple summers when I was 13, 14, and then I went full-time at 17, and I've been tiling ever since.
Kasey, what do you enjoy about tiling?
I like the fact that every job's different. Doing anything from a pool to a kitchen backsplash or a full shower. Really no tile that I installed has ever really been the same because it's always laid a little different or the design aspect's a little different.
I think that tile is a daunting prospect for customers starting from scratch. It's hard for them to look at a bathroom and they say, what do I do? How do you kind of approach that task from the very beginning with the client?
Some clients know what they want and some don't. Some will come to me and already have everything they've selected. A lot of times they'll show me pictures or they'll show me work on my Pinterest or Instagram or things that they've already seen. And some have no idea, and I kind of pick their brain on what they like and see what their style in their house is. Go through different patterns and textures and then go to their house with the samples.
Pattern is really a challenge, I think, for some customers. How do you deal with that?
Tile is usually the last thing,
Right.
to go in. It's a finished product. So if they have wallpaper that has design, or if they have maybe a countertop that already has a lot of veining, I'd say we build on that. Let's say they're very simple, gray walls, white trim. You can introduce a little bit, some glass. Sometimes it's very busy and it needs to kind of be a little more simpler. Maybe a handmade subway that has a little bit of texture but isn't too crazy.
I think one of the things that accounts for your success is patience and meticulousness, because there are a lot of people out there with bucket and trowel and say they do tile, and usually it's bang, 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 get it done quickly. I find, both with your work and also with the work of a master carpet installer that we have on staff, that it's patience and taking time and attention to detail that really makes the difference. What do you think?
I do every job as if it was going to be done in my own home. Working with from the first customer until where I am now has led me from customer to here. So everything I've ever had or have built up to has been word of mouth. A sister or a cousin or just a friend, I get referred. It's been strictly word of mouth my whole career. So.
Kasey Harkin, a true superstar among tile installers. We are so proud to be associated with her. Thanks for watching. Ken Fane, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods.